Been with MDI and Jason Upton since I bought my first store in May of last year, so not long. I chose MDI through referral. The franchisee that I purchased my first store from uses Jason and had nothing but good things to say about him, and everything he said was right. So they've taken really good care of me. The fact that Jason was a former franchisee definitely helped. It gave me a comfort in him knowing that he knew what I needed for my business. Jason's employees help a lot. Anything I need, I send an email, it gets done. Jason is incredibly accessible. I try not to bug him because I know he's really busy, but if you call, he answers. I send an email, he answers immediately. So I think he lives on his. So I get a report every month that lets me know what insurance is due. I just forward it to the stores. They forward me the information. It makes my life a lot easier. They helped guide me through the process really well, especially dealing with obtaining my insurances. They knew exactly what Domino's was going to look for, what I as a business owner needed, what I needed in the state of Arizona, and they helped put me into a plan and everything that fit the needs of my company. With MDI being a platinum member of the DFA, it just kind of helps give them a little more credibility. Jason and MDI absolutely support the franchise community. He has just as much passion for the brand as we do as franchisees, and I get the feeling that he's just as invested in our success as we are. So it really makes it feel more of a partnership than a customer relationship.